Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Motorola ThinkPhone 25 without password. Okay, but before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and we will lose all of our data. If you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, but you will lose everything. It is necessary. And the last thing is that after the reset, when we perform a reset using the recovery mode, during the setup process, our phone will want to verify us, or by typing the current password. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But we can select the second method, and we will have to log in into the Google account into which we are logged in before the reset, as a confirmation method. Also, if you don't remember it, you might have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. On our channel we have a lot of videos how to perform that. Okay, so if you want to move forward, simply follow my instructions. You can see that in my case also the phone is locked. And now what to do? I can even show you that I have locked it. And now we need to click power button and volume up button, and now click on power off. Oh, actually, it tells us to type the password. So let's do it other way. We'll have to perform a force restart. So let's hold power button and volume up button until the phone turns off, and then we have to quickly change the button sequence. Okay, and now start holding power button and volume down button. Just like that, to launch the fastboot mode first. Now, using the volume keys, find recovery mode and click power button to confirm. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now hold power button and click volume up to launch the recovery mode. Now, using the volume keys, we need to find wipe data / factory reset. Click power button to confirm. It's the last moment to stop, because if you select factory data reset and when you click the button, the deleting process will begin. Okay, now click the power button to confirm. Okay, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system. Now click power button to confirm, and now simply wait until your phone turns on. The next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.